Hey guys, it is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com, and today I am here to talk about how I showed up less but still reach my monthly income goals. So you may be thinking like, what? You didn't do anything? I'm not gonna say I didn't do anything, but I did show up less online. You might have forgot I was here, and that's okay with me because guess what? The check's still cleared, right? So I have a list of some important and key information of how I was able to achieve this. But this is the disclaimer that I do want you to understand. I have been super intentional about being wealthy and unknown, okay? I don't need you to know me to make money, right? I don't want my face to be the face of the business. I have been trying to shrink the attention from off of me and let the focus be on my businesses and my brand, right? And you may be wondering, how did you do that? I created a pen name store. So I do have coins and connections in the podcast that I am the face of, but I have, I got that going. That's fine. I enjoy doing that. So it's fine. It doesn't need any extra attention. I'm just going to continue to create and upload because I want to and I love to. So for my pen name stores, they are totally unrelated to anything that I do in my life, any of my interests, but they make me money consistently, and that's all my print on demand businesses. So I just wanted to let you know that I was super intentional at the beginning of 2020 about kind of being behind the scenes. I did not want to create another business, but yet I had all these ideas. So this pen name store has been open for a while, a few years now. I like when I tell you nothing has anything to do with me. That's how I call it my secret business, but really it's just my print on demand business that I don't share with anybody because what do you need to know for? So let me tell you what I didn't do. I hadn't posted on my IG feed since September 10th. I rarely showed up in my Instagram stories. I had one reel in September that was unrelated to my print on demand content. My last IGTV video was in July. I haven't shipped. Now listen to this. I have physical products, but I have not shipped a piece of anything since August. I moved. So therefore, I really wasn't available to do anything. I moved in September. So in the middle of September, and that was a lot of traveling, packing and stuff. So I didn't have all of my things. I just had my laptop. So I moved. That was huge, right? All of my September YouTube videos were pre-scheduled up until the 30th, right? All scheduled. I didn't record not one video after a certain amount of time in September. Things that I did do. I created a schedule for my podcast. We're on 10 episodes, 2-week break. 10 episodes, 2-week break. Unless I, announce that otherwise, right? I put out useful YouTube videos that in turn continue to roll in to my digital products and my freebies, where I have set up a workflow and a 2-step funnel. Boom. Okay. So I sent a few emails. Now get this one. This is the good one. Only through Gumroad. I think I thought about sending one through MailChimp. I might have sent one. And I did send one. I definitely sent one to another pen name. Print on demand. Another pen name. For about an ebook, right? So I did that. So I did send out a few emails, but get this. My Gumroad email list is less than 1,000 people. But I get paid every Thursday from it. Today, I'm going to get paid from it. And it's a nice, healthy chunk, right? So, yeah, all my audiences are less than 1,000 because I did, delete a whole bunch of people last year, and I was just over sending emails. And then I kind of manage my POD business. So I might work 3 hours a day. Today is a late start. It's 10:30. Usually I start around 9. And I can work to maybe 12 and be done for the day. So today I'm going to record this video, make sure everything is good with the podcast. I am going to manage some orders, make sure things have gotten shipped out, handle any customer service things. And then I'm done today. I'm done to sit up in my house with my feet up, clean. I'm going to cook dinner early today because we got a lot of things going on this evening and tomorrow. But this is the freedom I have been looking for, where I can maintain my business in a few hours a day. Like, I'm really a part-time employee in my own business. And no, I don't have any help. But that's what makes print on demand so good. People hire help, but if I'm only doing 3 hours of work, what do I have for you to do? And that's just me being honest. So, yeah, I just manage up the order. And if I really want help, I'll probably hire my kids or a relative to just kind of do this stuff. And then I don't have to work at all. But other than recording. So, yes, that is how I showed up less and still reach my income goals. And I am on track to reach my yearly goal that I wanted by showing up less. So I know a lot of people will say, well, you have to post this much on Instagram and you have to do this. I always say, train your audience where to find you, right? Train them where to find you. They'll always find you. In every single one of my videos, I say my name and where I'm from. So they'll always go to my website. My website is like a spider web. It'll take you to books, Gumroad, YouTube, podcast. That's all you need. And if you want to contact me, there's a contact button, right? Everything you need to know is right there in all of the links. And I only have 2 public websites, is, basically the Coins and Connections and CinquantaCox-Smith.com. So I train you where to find me. Anything that I want you to know, my name is on it, right? So my name is on my books on Amazon and a few of my journals. That's what I want you to find. But I have over probably almost 2,000 journals on Amazon that are not under my name. I maybe have 20 something books under my name. Other than that, they're all pen names. But I have at least almost 2,000 titles on Amazon. I have 400 shirts on Amazon, but they're not even really under my name. So this is, I'm living. I'm loving it. If you made it through this 7-minute video, I try to keep it 5 minutes, but I just wanted you to know that it is possible, but you have to be intentional about it, and you have to be sure this is what you want for your life and business. Yes, I grinded hard for the past 3 years to get here. I grinded since 2009 when I made my first t-shirt to get here, where I can relax, collect my coins, and be here for my family, because that was my ultimate goal. And the fact that I moved, that's why I say for these military spouses out here, print on demand is the way to go. I moved my business and I didn't have one hiccup with anything. I don't have to ship anything. I've made sure my business is, good to go. You're going to run into problems. Of course, you're going to have customer service issues. Sometimes the wrong thing will come out, but it's too easy to communicate, update, and resend. Or, my favorite thing, refund for the problematic customers out there, okay? So, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe. It's youtube.com/SmileyQuanta. Go check out all of my how to start a print on demand business, and check out my journal business series. And I will be starting a new series soon. So check that out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and just enjoy letting you know that it is possible, and when that time's come for you, be intentional about it and just do it. So I'm super excited about where I am in my business, and I'm just to get shit done for it. That's me. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.